How to decorate your aquarium in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Megran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to decorate your aquarium. Decorating your aquarium in Fishdom is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Fishdom. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to your aquarium. On the main screen, you'll typically see your current aquarium. If you want to decorate a different tank, swipe left or right to select another aquarium. Enter the shop. Tap on the shop icon, usually looks like a cart or decoration icon. You will see various categories like decoration, fish and upgrades. Choose decoration. Browse through the available items such as plant, ornaments, rock and theme decoration. Decoration have different price in coin or diamond, so make sure you have enough. Buy and place item. Tap on the decoration you want to purchase. Drag and drop into your aquarium. You can move it around until you are happy with each position. Add fish. Don't forget to add fish to bring life to your aquarium. Purchase fish from the shop and place them in the tank. Save changes. Once you are satisfied with your decoration, exit the shop. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can decorate your aquarium in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.